Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Nur Hikmah. I'm the last ID number, region number 098. So I'm from class PBIC. I want to share to you. I want to share to you about my answer is the question of psycholinguistics. So, number one, there are three phases in word recognition. The first is the phase of initial lexical contact. The second is the phase of selection, and the last is the integration phase. So, answer number two. Parsing is the process of arranging words that have been recognized at the perception stage, then giving a specific meaning or function to the sequence of words. So, their auditory input or sound can be understood as a sentence with syntactic structure and semantic representations. At this stage, the brain arranges the words that have been recognized at the perception stage into sentences that have a clear grammatical structure and meaning. This process is called syntactic parsing, which is building meaning from the word level to the sentence level based on the sound and meaning information heard. Here, a process called sentential processing occurs, which is the brain's attempt to understand the relationship between words in a sentence in order to grasp its meaning as whole. For this process to work, a person must have knowledge of grammar. There are two types of knowledge used, namely knowledge of articulatory and linguistic encoding knowledge. So, number three, the interpretation stage can be defined as a process where the mind is able to show understanding of the speech heard when communicating. Number four, the model describes three levels of discourse processing, namely the most basic level is the surface level. At this level, the mind collects words based on phonological aspects and then assembles these words into sentences that are considered most relevant to represent their meanings on basis of the auditory inputs. And the next level is the proportional level. At this level, the mind encodes the underlying meanings of language, and the third level is the situational or mental level. So, answer number 5. The interpretation and discourse processing stage is the final part of the language comprehension process. At this stage, the mind begins to connect the meanings between sentences and comprehends the message that the speaker wants to convey as a whole. According to some experts, interpretation occurs when the brain assigns meaning to the semantic aspects of speech. This process also involves translating the meaning and context of the conversation to obtain a complete understanding. In discourse processing, the mind not only understands the meaning of a single sentence, but also connects it with other sentences so that the overall message in a conversation or text can be understood logically and coherently. This stage helps us understand not only what is said but also what the speaker means. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.